Hello children. In our last lecture, we have studied about the carbonyl compounds, and in this lecture, we will be studying about the metal nitrosyl compounds. So, actually, in chapter organometallic chemistry, we have to study the organometallic compounds of group 1, 2, 13, and all about the elementary idea of carbonyl, nitrosyl, and ferrocene compounds. So, up to before this lecture, we have done the carbonyl compounds and all the previous one, and in this lecture we will be studying about the nitrosyl compounds. In nitrosyl compounds, actually this is the somewhat similar kind of the carbonyl compounds. Here in our previous lecture we have seen here na, this is the carbonyl group, and here the sigma bond formation is taking place from the donation of electron from the CO group, this one CO group, to the metal, and after that there is a pi back donation of electron from the metal to the pi star of the CO, which increases the bond strength between the C and O, and also with the metal one. Okay, so these are up to the metal carbonyl compounds. Now we are moving to the nitrosyl compounds. Actually, in metal nitrosyl, this NO, that is called the nitric acid. Nitric acid bonded with the transition metal complexes, and in this one, NO acts as a ligand, and therefore there is a bonding between nitrosyl ligand and a metal, which follows the same principle as that of the bonding in carbonyl complexes. Okay, which we have discussed. There is a pi back bonding from the metal to the carbonyl group. Similarly, in NO also there is a back bond transfer from the metal to the carbonyl group. Okay, so now we go for the nitric oxide, where it acts as a ligand. In if the NO molecule is in free state, it has a bond order of 2.5, and which is very much similar to the CO molecule, which that is the carbon monoxide, and carbonyl, you can say carbonyl as a ligand. So due to the similar in the electronic configuration of these two, they are very much similar to each other. Okay, now we see here the molecular orbital picture of the NO molecule. In this lecture, I want to explain you that what is the main difference between the NO and CO. With this diagram, which we have shown in our last lecture also, you have seen that there was no electron present in the pi star of the carbon CO of the antibonding pi orbital of the CO. So, but in case of NO, there is one electron here, pi star py. There is one electron present in the antibonding orbital of the NO. So, due to the presence of NO, the bond order gets decreases, and there is a weakening of the bond between the N and O. Okay, when actually there are three types of complexes formed in the NO. So one is a complex derived from the NO plus, that is called the nitrosyl cation, and then after it go for the neutral one, and then the NO minus. Okay, so when it is in the form of NO plus, then there is a one odd electron in pi star molecular orbital of NO molecule, and when it is in NO plus, its bond order is of the 2.5. But whereas when NO is in free state, then its bond order found to be around 3. So due to the higher bond order in free species of NO, its higher absorption spectra occur in the lower wave region as compared to that of the NO plus moiety. Okay, so higher vibrational frequency of a bond is directly related to the bond order. If the bond order is higher, then the stretching frequency will be occur. If the bond order is higher, then the stretching frequency will be occur in higher wave number region. But if the bond order is less, then the stretching frequency will occur in lower wave number region. Okay, so here we see that there are a large number of molecules, complexes of nitric oxide, which are reported to have NO plus ion as the ligand, which appear to act as a 3-electron donor. So in most of the complexes, they obey the effective atomic number rule, EAN, that is the effective atomic number rule. So here we see in this complex, FeNO whole twice, CO whole twice. Okay, here we see that the atomic number of iron is 26, and then after that we go for 2 into 3. 3 is for the NO, that is the electron transferring from the NO molecule is 3, and there is a 2, so 2 into 3, and after that 2 into 2, that is 2 electron from the CO, and 2 molecules of CO are here, so 2 into 2, which makes 36, which is the atomic number of the next inert gas. So here also in case of manganese, this one, we see here that the EAN is 36. So these are the stable complexes formed with the help of NO moiety. Okay. Here is the formation. Here are the steps which are followed during the formation of NO plus complexes. So here we see that when the metal is bonds with come in contact with NO, it forms N minus and then NO plus. That is, there is a one electron transfer from NO to metal, and then it comes to be M minus and NO plus moiety. And then in our further step, we see here that this M minus further bonds with the NO plus moiety. Here there is a back donation of where there is a donation of one pair of electron to form a coordinate bond here. Here with the arrow we see here, no? So with the arrow we see that there is a coordinate bond formation from the NO to M. So there is one more, that is the 3 electrons has been transferred from NO to metal. And after the formation of this complex, this bond MO, this one, we see that this is highly polar. Okay, so there is next, in our next process, there is a charge transfer from filled d orbital of metal to the NO1. Here we see that there is a field transfer of metal to NO, that is the back donation is taking place here now. Okay, so if the back donation is taking from M to NO, again the number of electron in the pi star antibonding orbital of the NO increases. Okay, so here is the whole molecular orbital picture of this one. You see that there is a back donation from metal to N star NO ligand. Okay, now these are the cases where the higher frequency, that is the higher absorption frequency of NO plus in nitrosonium complex, which is present in coordinated cation, falls between 1600 to 1900 region, and when it is in NO plus, that is in the free state, NO plus, which falls between ethna, that is the 2200 to 2300 centimeter inverse. Okay, so there is a very similarity between the CO and NO, that is there is a similar kind of pi back donation after the complexation of the after there in the beginning there is a charge transfer from ligand to metal, and then after there is a back donation from the metal to the antibonding orbital of the ligand. Okay, both in this CO and NO. So there is one complex which we do in our laboratory also, that is the ring test of the for the detection of NO3 minus. Okay, for the anion, this anion test we do the ring test, and that is due to the formation of this complex. Okay, this the color of this complex is brown, and then after we detect that there is a presence of NO3 minus in the salt which we supply to you. Okay, so next we come to the complex derived from NO. In the first one we have look at the complexes of the NO plus, then we go for the NO, and then after that we will go for NO minus. Okay, so in the here we see that in this if these electrons of NO remains localized, then localized on NO itself, there is there is no transfer of electron from NO to metal. So ligand act as 2 electron. Instead of 3 electron donor, it acts only as a 2 electron donor. Okay. So for example, these are the some complexes where it is acting as a 2 electron donor. Okay, Mn, NO, CO, Cn whole 5, 2 minus, and chromyl, this one. These are paramagnetic, and one time these were thought to be derived from NO. Okay. Now we are moving to the complexes derived from NO minus. In this case, the NO nitric oxide is bound to metal atom in such a manner that it appears to have accepted one electron from Mn plus to get converted into NO minus. NO minus means there is one electron supplied from the metal in the beginning only. Okay. सो व्हेन जब कोई एक इलेक्ट्रॉन पहले से मेटल से वो लिया हुआ है तो उसके ऊपर एक नेगेटिव चार्ज आएगा. एज वी ऑल नो दैट दी व्हेन देयर इज अ पॉजिटिव चार्ज देयर इज अ लैकिंग ऑफ वन इलेक्ट्रॉन, and when it is a negative charge there is excess of one electron. So in case of NO, where from it is coming from the metal only. Okay. So the NO minus then donates 2 electron from its nitrogen to the resulting formation of Mn plus 1 plus 1. That is N plus is here, and then one more electron is removed, so Mn plus 1 to form a sigma bond like this one. There is a transfer of lone pair electron from NO minus to metal. In this way, nitric oxide in these complexes act effectively as a 1 electron donor. Okay, in NO it acts as a 3 electron donor. In NO plus it acts as a 3 electron donor. In NO it acts as 2 electron donor, and in NO it acts as a 1 electron donor. Okay, so these are some of the examples where NO act as a single electron donor, 1 electron donor. Okay, these are some of the synthesis process which are present here to show that the NO are being complexed and the stable complexes are formed in metal nitrosil. Okay, thank you. In our next lecture, we will be studying about the ferrocene complexes. Okay, and in case if you have any confusion related to this nitrosil or carbonyl, we can contact and then I will clarify all those doubts. Okay, thank you.